What's up, y'all? You already know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy. I hope to make your install life a little bit easier. Today I got a 2018 Kia Sportage. I've already installed the remote start, but I'm going to show you how to program tachometer. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, car audio tech reviews, Q&As, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. From time to time, I like to share all my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel is for you. So with compustar remote starts, the one thing that you have to do before you program any type of remotes after the installation but before the remote programming is to program tachometer. If you don't know what tachometer means, tachometer is a certain wire that monitors the RPM of the vehicle, and this needs to know that so it knows how many RPM it needs to send to the car in order for it to actually remote start without having the key. So with compustars, it's actually pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to take the key in, and we want to go ahead and crank the car. After we crank the car, we're going to hold the foot brake. While we're holding the foot brake, we're just going to press this programming button one time, and then after we press the programming button, we're going to release the foot brake, and then that's going to let us know that program is tach. So let's go ahead and knock it out. All right, so we are now running. See if I can do it with one hand. Press it, press the button, it goes red. We're gonna let go of the button, and then we're gonna let go of the brake. You hear those two clicks and it goes green. That means that tach is now learned. Some say that you might want to wait about 15 seconds. The reason that they're going to say that is because when you first crank it up, you may be idling kind of high at about 2,000 RPM or 1,500, and they want you to idle back down to 1,000 or less RPM. Honestly, you can really do it whenever you want to. If you want to wait those 15 seconds, go ahead. But for the most part, I usually forget to wait the 15 seconds, and I haven't had any issues. So let me pair these remotes up, and we'll crank it up and see if it works. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I would like to take this time to give a shout out to all of the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, and everything that you do goes a long way with me, because you don't have to send me a little extra thanks, but you found enough value in the video to where you wanted to buy me lunch or buy me beer or help out with some of these bills that I got at the house, because I am doing all this information stuff for you guys for free just because I love car audio and I like helping people. Last but not least, the introduction to car audio training courses are still being made right now. I'm really excited about being able to actually share more of my car audio knowledge with you guys, but actually able to dive deep down and give you way more detail than I do in my YouTube videos for the people who actually want to get back into car audio because you've been out for a long time. Maybe you're inspiring to be an installer, or maybe you've never been into car audio and you want to learn the basics and be more comfortable with installing your own stuff. These training courses are going to be for you, and when they're available, you can find them at jptheinstallguy.com. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.